Fort du Questel, a vestige of the 18th century. Fort du Questel is actually a redoubt, a Vauban-type fortified structure. Built on a 6-hectare site, it is now part of a set of redeveloped natural spaces and offers beautiful walks. It also hosts many animations. Brest and its surroundings have important remains of what was one of the largest fortified complexes in Europe. Richelieu, founder of their Port du Ponant, launched the first works of fortification of the city, which were continued by Vauban under Louis XIV. It was under the reign of Louis XVI, during the American War of Independence, 1775 to 1783, that the king, fearing that the English would land in Brittany, decided to build an inner belt of strong and dreaded. This Vauban-type fortified structure is actually a redoubt, that is to say a fortified, closed, square-shaped structure, the entrance or throat of which is placed on the less exposed side. Built on a 6-hectare site, Fort du Questel watches over the crossing of the valleys of the Moulin du Bieu, where the enemy could establish themselves to bombard the city and the port of Brest. Surrounded by deep ditches and accessible by a drawbridge, it is made up of a masonry wall, surmounted by a walkway intended for the musketeers. This path is itself dominated by an earth rampart, set back, intended to support the artillery, 26 guns in total, extending 4.5 kilometers. The garrison in place, about 200 men, had access to various galleries, including 2 large underground passages which connect the central courtyard to the walkways. Since 1983, cleaning and repair work on the entrance has restored the facade of the building to its original appearance and cleared the stone access to the main ogive dating from the 18th century. This site is now part of a set of redeveloped natural spaces that lead to the banks of Penfeld by a circuit passing at the foot of the Cavale Blanche Hospital. On site, the fortress offers walks through its well-sheltered green moats, its underground passages, its stairs, its scarps and counterscarps, its esplanade and its cool undergrowth nearby. The Fort du Questel has also become a privileged space for the organization of numerous events.